welcome to our channel. Today, we are talking about Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP. These are important guidelines created by the World Health Organization in 1975 to ensure the quality of medicines. GMP guidelines help us make sure that medicines are made and tested properly. Countries around the world follow these guidelines, and some have their own versions. But the main goal is always the same, to produce high-quality medicines. Let's look at the 10 key components of GMP. 1. Controlled processes. All manufacturing steps should be clearly defined and controlled to ensure consistency. 2. Validation. Critical processes need to be tested to make sure they work the same way every time. 3. Compliance. The results from validation tests must meet specific standards to ensure quality. 4. Record keeping. Keep detailed records of how each batch of medicine is made. Any changes to the process must be checked to ensure they don't affect quality. 5. Clear procedures. Write instructions in simple language so everyone can understand them. 6. Training. Train all personnel in production, quality control, and documentation to ensure they perform their tasks correctly. 7. Record evidence. Keep records, whether written or from instruments, to show that procedures were followed correctly. Investigate and document any mistakes or deviations. 8. Document retention. Keep all documents, including distribution records, until the batch's expiration date. 9. Recall procedures. Have a clear plan for recalling any batch if needed to ensure public safety. 10. Complaint handling. Examine any market complaints, find out what went wrong, and take steps to prevent it from happening again. GMP is essential for making sure our medicines are safe and effective, protecting the health of people everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.